Good morning, children. I'm very happy to welcome you all again of your computer science class. This is the revision class of our first lesson. This is the revision class of our first lesson. The lesson name is the computer system. What is our first lesson? Our first lesson is the computer system. Already we have discussed our book exercises and question answers of our first lesson. Already we have discussed our book exercises and question answers of our first lesson. Can you remember that? Okay. Once again, we recall our book exercises and question answers of our first lesson for our periodic assessment. So, listen careful children, which is very helpful while you are preparing for your computer science exam. Could you understand? So, you have to listen careful. Shall we enter our revision class, students? What is our first exercise? In our book exercise, the first Roman is label these devices, categorize them as input or output and write them in the correct column. What is that? Label these devices, categorize them as input or output and write them in the correct column. In this, I have given more pictures. I have given more devices. You have to find the name of the devices. You have to find the name of the given devices. What is the first one? What is the name of the first device? The name of the first device is monitor. The name of the first device is monitor. What is the name of second device? Where is the second device present? Yes. The name of the second device is CPU. The name of the second device is CPU. What is the name of the third device? What is the name of the third device? The name of the third device is microphone. What is the name of fourth device? What is the name of the fourth device? The name of the fourth device is speakers. What is the name of the fifth device? The name of the fifth device is printer. The name of the fifth device is printer. The sixth device name is, what is our sixth device? Our sixth device is keyboard. What is the name of the seventh device? The seventh device is mouse. The seventh device is mouse. What is the name of eighth device? The name of the eighth device is joystick. So, now we have to find the name of the given devices and now we are going to arrange them in the correct category. Arrange them in the correct column. Okay. So, first one, what is the first one? Monitor. Monitor, which comes under which category? Monitor, it comes under the which category? Monitor is the output device, no? So, it comes under the category of output devices. It comes under the category of output devices. What is our next device? The second device is CPU. CPU is the input device or output device? No, CPU is the processing device. CPU is the processing device. So, we no need to categorize it. Okay. What is the name of the third device? Microphone. Microphone is the which device? Input device or output device? Microphone is the input device. So, it comes under the category of input devices. Okay, could you understand children? How to arrange the columns? Okay. So, fourth one. What is the name of the fourth device? Speakers. Speakers are comes under the category of output devices. Speakers are the output devices. So we can write under the category of speakers. What is the fifth device? Fifth device is printer. It is also the output device. So we can also write under the category of output devices. What is our sixth device? Keyboard is our sixth device. So keyboard is the input device. Keyboard is the input device. So which comes under the category of input devices. Seventh one, mouse. Mouse is also one of the input device. So it also comes under the category of input devices. What is our eighth device? Our eighth device is joystick. Joystick is which comes under the category of which devices? Input or output? Joystick is the input devices. So it comes under the category of the input devices. Okay, could you understand, children, how to categorize the given devices? Okay. Next. The next Roman is tick the correct answers. The next Roman is tick the correct answers. In that first one, which of these is commonly used to play games? First one, which of these is commonly used to play games? I'm given some options. The options are light pen, joystick, trackball. The options are light pen, joystick, trackball. Which is the correct one? Which is used to play the games? The joystick is used to play the games. So that is the joystick is the correct answer. Next one, second one. Which of these responds when you touch any item on the screen with your finger? Which of these responds when you touch any item on the screen with your finger? The options are touch screen, light pen, mouse. Which is the correct answer? Touch screen is the correct answer, because the touch screen is used to select the item on the screen with your fingers. Okay. Third one, which of these prints by spraying into ink onto the paper? Which of these prints by spraying ink onto the paper? The options are dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. The options are dot matrix printer, laser printer and inkjet printer. The correct answer is inkjet printer. The correct answer is inkjet printer. The question also having the clue. What is that? Ink. Okay. So you keep it in your mind. Okay, children. Fourth one. Which of this is not a type of scanner? Which of this is not a type of scanner? And the options are flatbed, webcam, barcode. The options are flatbed, webcam and barcode. The right answer is webcam, because flatbed is also one of the scanner and barcode is one of the type of the scanner. So the correct answer is webcam. The fifth one is, which of this is also known as the brain of the computer? Which of this is also known as the brain of the computer? The options are ALU, CU and CPU. The options are ALU, CU and CPU. Which one is the correct option? Already you know very well. What is the brain of our computer system? Yes, CPU is the brain of our computer system. Could you understand, children? Shall we move on to the next Roman? Okay. Our next Roman is complete the sentences. Our next Roman is complete the sentences. That is fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. The first one is dash produce sound from a computer. Dash produce sound from a computer. Which is used to produce the sound from the computer? Yes, right. The speakers are produce the sound from a computer. The speakers are produce the sound from a computer. Second one, a dash uses a pen to print images. A dash uses a pen to print images. What is the answer? The answer is plotter. Answer is plotter. The plotters are uses the pen to print the images. The third one, the dash performs all arithmetic and logical calculations. The dash performs all arithmetic and logical calculations. The right answer is ALU. The right answer is ALU. The question itself having the clue arithmetic and logical. ALU. Arithmetical logical unit. ALU means arithmetical logical and arithmetic and logical unit. Fourth one, a touchpad is mostly found on. A touchpad is mostly found on dash. Where is the touchpad presence? The touchpad presence only in the laptops. The touchpad mostly found on the laptops. The fifth one, dash and dash are two types of printers. Dash and dash are the two types of printers. Generally, the printers is classified into three types. What are the dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. These are the three types of printers. Here I have given only two dashes. So you have to use any of two printers. Any two printer names. I have used inkjet and laser. Inkjet and laser are two types of printer. You have to write any two printer names. Okay. Shall we move on to the next Roman? Yes. Our fourth Roman is true or false. Right? True or false. In that first one, a plotter is used to print large drawings such as maps or posters. A plotter is used to print large drawings such as maps or posters. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Because the plotter is used to print the large drawings such as posters. In cinema theaters, we have seen the big posters in front of the cinema theaters. No, that is also print by the plotter only. Print by the plotters only. So this is the correct one. The second one is flatbed is a commonly used scanner. Flatbed is a commonly used scanner. Is it true or false? The scanner is divided into two types. What are that? Flatbed and barcode. Flatbed scanner and barcode scanner. But the commonly we are using the flatbed scanner only. So this statement is correct. That is true. Flatbed is a commonly used scanner. That is true. Third one, an inkjet printer prints by spraying ink on paper. An inkjet printer prints by spraying ink on paper. Now only we saw this same question in our choose the correct answers, I think so. So is it true or false? This is also true. Fourth one, ALU controls all the parts of the CPU. The ALU control all the parts of the CPU. Is it true or false? It is false. It is false. Fifth one, a graphic tablet is an output device. A graphic tablet is an output device. Is it true or false? It is also false, because a graphic tablet is an input device. A graphic tablet is an input device, not an output device. So this statement is false. Shall we move on to the next Roman, children? Our next Roman is match the columns. Our next Roman is match the columns. In that, first one printer, second one scanner, third one digital camera, fourth one joystick, fifth one monitor. Now we have to match the first one. Printer. The options are a display screen of the computer. Printer is a display screen of the computer? No. Printer is a pointing device? No. Printer is used to scan the documents? No. Printer is used to capture the photos? That also no. Printer prints the text and pictures on paper? Yes, this is the correct option for the printer. So you have to match it. Okay. The second one, scanner. Second one, scanner. And the first option, a display screen of the computer. Scanner is the display screen of a computer? No. Scanner is a pointing device? That also no. Scanner is used to scan the documents? Scanner is used to scan the documents? Yes, it is true. Scanner is used to scan the documents only. So you have to put 2 here. Third one, digital camera. Third one, digital camera. And the options are, camera is a display screen of the computer? No. Digital camera is a pointing device? That also no. Digital camera is used to capture the photos? Yes, cameras are used to capture the photos only. So this is the correct option. So you have to put 3 here. Fourth one, joystick. Fourth one, joystick. Now we have only 2 options. First option is a display screen of the computer. Joystick is the display screen of the computer? No. Joystick is a pointing device. That is the correct option. So you have to put here for 4. Last question is monitor. So there is no options. Only one option is left. A display screen of the computer is correct. The monitor is a display screen of the computer. That is, the monitor is the output device. So you have to put here 5. Could you understand, children, how to match the columns? Okay, shall we move on to the next Roman? Our next Roman is guess who I am. Guess who I am. First one, I project text or images on the large screen. I project text or images on a large screen. Who am I? I am the projector. I am the projector. Projector is used to project the text or images on the large screen. Okay. The second one, I am a visual display unit of a computer. I am a visual display unit of a computer. Who am I? Am the monitor. I am the monitor. Monitor is the display unit, no? So the correct answer is monitor. Third one, I convert drawing strokes into a digital form. I convert drawing strokes into a digital form. What is the answer? Who I am? I am the graphic tablet. I am the graphic tablet. In graphic tablet, it converts the drawing strokes into the digital form. So the correct answer is graphic tablet. Fourth one, you use me to input your voice. You use me to input your voice. Which device is used to give your voice? That is microphone. Microphone is used to input your voice to the computer system. Fifth one, I use a pen to print pictures. I use a pen to print pictures. What is that? That is plotter. Plotter is uses a pen to print the pictures or images. Just now we saw that in our fill-ups, I think so. Could you understand, children? Shall we move on to the next Roman? Yes. Our next Roman is answer the following. Our next Roman is answer the following. In that first question, write the names of any 4 places where computers are used. Write the names of any 4 places where computers are used. Which places we are using the computers? Let me see. The computers are used for various kinds of works in different places. The computers are used for various kinds of works in different places, such as at homes, in banks, in schools, in hospitals, etc. More places we are using the computers day by day. But here I am asking only 4 places. So you have to write any 4 places. Okay, could you understand, children? So the computers are used for various kinds of works in different places, such as at homes, in banks, in schools, and in hospitals. Shall we move on to the next question, children? Our second question is, what is IPO? Our second question is, what is IPO? Computer takes in data as input. Computer takes in data as input, processes it, and gives processed data as output. We can give the instructions, that is, we can give the data as input. So computer takes that information as input, which we are given by us. Okay, so computer takes the data as input, processes it. Process it means doing. Process means doing. Okay, so computer takes in data as input, processes that data, and gives processed data as output. After completion of the process, it will ready to produce the result. That result is known as the output. That result is known as the output. So computer takes in data as input, processes it, and gives processed data as output. These 3 steps, that is input, process, output, together are called IPO. These 3 steps, that is input, process, output, together are called IPO. Here, what is the expansion of IPO? IPO means input, process, output. IPO means input, process, output. So what is IPO? Computer takes in data as input, processes the given data and gives processed data as output. These three steps, that is input, process, output, together are called IPO. IPO means input, process, output. Could you understand, children, what is meant by IPO? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. Third question is, distinguish between the input and output devices. That is, write the difference between the input and output devices. Input devices. A device that feeds the data into a computer system is called an input device. A device that feeds the data into a computer system is called an input device. For example, if we are giving the instructions to the computer, if we want to give the instructions to the computer, means how can we give the instructions? We can give the instructions only through some devices, That device is called the input device. For example, for the input devices is keyboard, mouse, etc. Keyboard, mouse. If we want to give the 5 to the computer, number 5, okay, what to do? We can press the 5 key in the keyboard. So, when we are giving the instructions to the computer, means we can give that instructions only through some devices. That device is called the input device. Okay, could you understand, children? Next one, output. A device that shows processed data is called an output device. A device that shows processed data is called an output device. For example, if we are giving number 5 through the input device, that is through the keyboard, when we are pressing the 5 key in the keyboard, that number 5 is displayed on the monitor. So, that monitor is called the output device. One of the output device. Could you understand, children? A device that shows the processed data. Processed data means result. A device that shows the result is called an output device. For example, monitor, printer, etc. So what is the difference between input and output devices? A device that feeds the data into a computer system is called an input device. If we want to give the instruction to the computer, means that is called the input. If we want to get the result from the computer, means that is called the output. Could you understand, children, what is the difference between input and output devices? Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? Our fourth question is, write the names of any 4 input and output devices. Write the names of any 4 input and output devices. There are many input devices and output devices are there. You have to write any 4. You have to write any 4 for each. Okay. I have given some only 4 input devices and 4 output devices. You have to write any 4. Input devices, touch screen, touchpad, joystick, microphone. If you have to write a keyboard, mouse, anything else, that also the input devices, that also one of the input devices. You have to write anything. Okay, so input devices: touch screen, touchpad, joystick, microphone, keyboard, mouse. So many input devices are there, so you have to write any 4. And output devices, that also the same. Many output devices are there, you have to write any 4. I have given monitor, printer, plotter, speakers. Monitor, printer, plotter and speakers. So write the name of any 4 input and output devices. This is the 4th question. Input devices and output devices, you have to write any 4 for each. Any 4 devices of input devices, and you have to write any 4 devices of output devices. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? 5th question is, what is a scanner? What is a scanner? Name the types of scanner. Name the types of scanner. A scanner is used to transfer printed text or pictures into a computer. A scanner is used to transfer the printed text or pictures into a computer. A scanned document is displayed on the monitor. A scanned document is displayed on the monitor. If we suppose for example, if we want to scan the photos, if we want to scan our photos, means we have to put it to the scanner, the photos. We have to put the photos in the scanner, and it transfers that images onto the computer. That scanned image is displayed on the monitor. We can see that image through the monitor, by the monitor. That is called the scanner. Could you understand, children, what is meant by scanner? A scanner is used to transfer printed text or pictures into a computer. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. A scanner is used to transfer printed text or pictures into a computer. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. It has 2 types. The scanner is classified into 2 types. They are flatbed scanner, barcode scanner. The scanner is classified into how many types? 2 types. The scanner is classified into 2 types, that is flatbed scanner and barcode scanner. Which is most commonly used scanner? Which is most commonly used scanner? Flatbed scanner or barcode scanner? Flatbed scanner is most commonly used scanner. Flatbed scanner is most commonly used scanner. Could you understand, children? So what is mean by scanner? A scanner is used to transfer the printed text or pictures into a computer. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. Could you understand, children? Revision class is over. So don't forget to remember this book exercises and question answers. I hope this revision class is very helpful for your exam. So keep it in your mind. Once again I am telling, don't forget to remember this. Okay children, this is the time to wind up. See you again. Thank you children.